Cleaning the truck at the man's sign-in station prevents wood debris from falling onto the road and thus increases traffic safety. Thanks to automation, the driver also does not have to climb onto the roof of the truck to clean the platform with a brush. The system also makes it easier to clean the surrounding area. Thanks to the man's sign-in cleaning station, truck turnover times are reduced because it is the automated equipment that does the cleaning. The truck passes directly through the station when leaving. In order to save energy, the fans only run when needed. But during peak hours, they can also be switched to continuous mode. The wood residues can later be used for incineration. Need a machine that makes winter roads as safe as summer? Here's the Oversize RSC 400. This powerful snowplow does more than just clear snow. It does it with such grace that even the gloomiest winter days seem brighter. With its help, you can plow your way through the heaviest of snowfalls as if it were just a light hoarfrost. Mounted on large utility vehicles, it is able to cut through snowy roads with efficiency and precision. Although there is no snow in the video, we still know the true purpose of this equipment. The PowerScreen H6203 horizontal sieve is a machine that is perfect for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate sizing of bulk materials required in many construction contracts. This model is equipped with a new recirculating rotary conveyor for oversized products. The conveyor is used to return material back to the feeder. The technique is ideal for applications such as natural and crushed aggregate, coal, iron ore, recycled concrete, and asphalt, offering high productivity and adaptability. It's exciting to see a specially equipped giant meticulously build a track out of crushed stone, laying the foundation for future railroad tracks. This process is not only functional, but also incredibly beautiful. Stop and admire this machine in action. Its movements resemble the work of a skilled seamstress who, hook by hook, brings a magnificent fabric to life. The precision and accuracy of the workmanship make the manufacturing process a true art. The Fractum Hammer, Model 100, is powered by a Volvo 380 excavator. The impact energy of this hammer is so great that the rock cannot absorb it. The Fractum doesn't even penetrate the rock, it only strikes the surface of the rock, and that's enough for effective crushing. Its braking principle is more like that of a conventional hammer, where a strong metal rod moving in a casing is simply lifted upwards and then falls on the material with tremendous force, causing it to sort of splinter. In this way, so much impact energy is applied to a small area that the material is unable to absorb it, and as a result, it simply disintegrates. There is also no need to transport large boulders that need to be broken up, because the excavator with the Fractum Model 100 mounted on it can drive itself to each individual stone. You see a trailed beach sweeper for cleaning up medium and small areas, 440 XL, from the popular brand Charrington. The principle of its work is simple, to sift sand and pick up debris in its hopper. The machine is also towed by a tractor of medium traction class. Furthermore, this model is perfect for cleaning beach sports grounds, equestrian areas, and even in agriculture. The Helioder Compact Disc Harrow from Lemken is ideal for cultivating bare stubble or incorporation of surface residues from previous crops on light to medium soil types. When preparing the seed bed after plowing or in mulch sowing, the technique ensures an evenly loosened and level seed bed. In combination with the Solitaire pneumatic seeder from Lemken, you can get a fast and efficient combination for soil tillage. These features make the Helioder a true all-rounder, saving users valuable time and money. Avatech, founded in 2003, has announced the new Trex Remote Control Lawnmower, RCLM, with collision avoidance technology. Featuring a new 20-horsepower Kawasaki remote start engine and dual cutting blades, the Trex 44 can cut tall, wet grass on slopes up to 50 degrees. The dual hybrid electric drive system provides a zero turning radius when traveling forward or backward. Hybrid drive eliminates the need for hydraulic oil systems and reduces weight and cost. Track to ground pressure is 1.16 pounds per square inch. The Vermeer VS350 single auger vertical mixer is the ideal machine for smaller operations. This model has a high-speed auger that optimizes mixing speed and provides thorough cleaning. Vermeer mixers feature a 4-point scale that helps improve accuracy over a 3-point scale. The scales help operators optimize rations and achieve more defined goals when feeding multiple pens. The scale also features Bluetooth connectivity, so operators can see the weight from their smart device. Featuring a 1/4-inch thick tub and a 1/2-inch thick floor, this mixer is small but powerful. Its sturdy components contribute to the machine's long-lasting performance and reliability. You see the Volvo EW160B with Tiltotrator and EngCon sweeper. This detachable EngCon sweeper makes your excavator even more versatile. You can rest assured. It can be converted with a single handle and can also be adapted and used as a wide sweeping bucket in combination with a planing bucket. You can also adapt the sweeper as a narrow cable brush. The sweeper is very versatile. Its width can be adjusted to suit the job at hand, from cable sweeping to sweeping large areas. This reduces the need for manual labor and makes the workplace safer. The Netherlands-based company demonstrated the Harvey 500 harvester with a unique berry catching system that has a 3% loss rate versus 20% of the competitors. The machine can operate with both mechanical bodies to shake the berries and human pickers. The company has also developed a patented blueberry catching system called No Gap. The sail system closes the area around the plant so that no berry gets damaged and ends up on the ground. Welcome to a world where winter road maintenance meets innovation, thanks to the HLA snowplows. This video shows how the new HLA models enhance efficiency in combating snowdrifts. Watch as these powerful snowplows clear roads through winter storms, making every turn and every mile safe. With their help, winter maintenance ceases to be a routine and turns into high-tech art. Imagine having the opportunity to transform your huge excavators into true giants of ground moving. Sutton makes this possible by offering special equipment that will give machines the power to dig deeper than ever before. We're talking about technology for excavators ranging from 30 to 200 tons that not only increases digging depth to a breathtaking 6.5 feet, but also provides power you could only dream of before. Together with Sutton, any such excavator can literally transform the surrounding landscape, getting the job done faster and more efficiently. Better equipment design also means less maintenance costs and less frequent breakdowns. Sandvik introduces the next generation of Ranger DXi series drilling machines for a wide range of hole sizes from 3 to 5.5 inches. Now you have a new fully optimized drilling system based on the expanded and powerful RT900 family of drills and complemented by all new unique CT55 and CT67 curved threaded tools. In addition, the user gets unrivaled coverage, advanced automation, and connectivity options. The Hamar Sideloader A Advanced Chassis is a unique and incredibly versatile chassis from Hamar. Made from 3 telescopic chassis parts and sliding cranes, it can change the position of the cart and optimize the weight distribution of the load. This means it can be optimized for both 2- and 3-axle trucks, as well as for different size containers. The PA19001 bridge inspection device embodies Palfinger's many years of experience in the manufacture of hydraulic loading cranes and lifting platforms. The wide working range above railroad level enables work on high cable supports and special bridge structures. The third jib system can be dismantled, allowing it to be used for various crane operations. The multifunctional device is ideal for municipal authorities and various institutions that are constantly faced with a wide range of tasks. The box loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity at any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. The sturdy and streamlined design allows the Tree Terminator tree shears to glide under fence rows and easily cut an 8-inch tree up to 6 feet on the other side of the fence. The Tree Terminator rotating tree shears are 9 feet long from the mounting blade to the tips of the blades. This allows most users to easily cut limbs 20 feet or more off the ground. All in all, working with this unit is a pleasure. Chemrock KSI is a Shockum injection attachment for the penetration of cement slurry into cohesive soils. The KSI injection attachment range was developed in cooperation with a German specialized civil engineering company and is the basis of the Shockum process. The Shockum process is a soil stabilization system using excavator attachments to inject and mix a defined concrete slurry into non-bearing soils, KSI, which, when cured, create a homogeneous, impermeable, and frost-resistant soil cement structure. The Skier Pro Plus Skid Steer Grader is an innovative new attachment that will take your leveling and leveling operations to the next level. See how the Pro Plus performs in various ways in this product demonstration. The company tested the attachment on a gravel road, an off-road riding trail, and an equestrian area. Just look at how cleanly and efficiently the Skier system performs in such a wide range of applications. From heavy leveling to precision layout, this attachment can be relied upon. The Multi-One solar panel washer is designed to clean photovoltaic solar panels and help maintain and optimize their performance. The use of a solar panel washer, regular cleaning and maintenance is critical to ensure that solar panels do not lose up to 17 to 25% of electric generation due to the accumulation of dirt, dust, and other foreign matter. A solar panel wash can clean anywhere from 0.7 megawatt hours to 2 megawatt hours, all depending on the type of surface. The new Majerus Wolf R1 is a true marvel of robotics. It fully justifies its considerable cost and can perform the most complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width allows it to be used on forest fires or on highly hazardous industrial fires. The TAF-60, on the other hand, can flow up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, which is a great advantage, especially when fighting large fires in chemical or refinery plants. The overall height of the firefighting robot has been reduced to less than 6.2 feet, which means the TAF-60 can easily penetrate low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, opens up a whole new operational tactic. While the hot spot is being cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. EngCon sweeping rollers. What can we say here? Whether you're sweeping soil, sand, gravel, or snow, the brush roller will quickly become your favorite tool that you simply can't do without. You can use it to clear areas such as road crossings, walkways, streetcar stops, etc., as well as sweep road sand and gravel, clean grass, foundations, rocks, and more. The only limitation is your imagination. A hydraulic motor provides power and a chain drive that allows you to adjust the brush speed. And the open design of the machinery provides unrivaled and easy access for maintenance. Plus, standard polypropylene brushes can be replaced quickly and easily. Hauling gravel and construction materials over tracks has never been easier than with the Hydrema 912 ES rail dump truck. It is capable of operating in both high and low rail mode, feeding material in a 180 G zone. The rail modules are mounted on a bolt-on system with quick couplings for hydraulics. This allows them to be removed when not in use for rail work. The large rail wheels ensure the position and stability of the tipper on the track, even at high speeds. The hubs of the rail wheels have individual disc brakes, so that both service and parking brakes act directly on the rail wheels. For safety reasons, this dump truck is equipped with automatic hydraulic locking of the articulated steering. In this way, the front and rear chassis are locked together, ensuring the truck's rigidity and minimizing the risk of derailment. The Cenoboggan Model 870M is the latest machine, which is particularly impressive with its extensive range of 78 feet and its robust and reliable construction. Its flexibility is a particular advantage, especially when the task is to approach different berths or unload large vessels piecemeal. The powerful 300 kilowatt Dutz diesel engine. Are you looking for a forest maintenance solution that combines lightness and high efficiency? The Midi Force Shredder from SEPI-M is your ideal choice. With its unique design, including a smart rotor and an optimally designed chopping chamber, this machine delivers maximum productivity by utilizing the power of your tractor to its full potential. It can turn trees and shrubs up to 9.8 inches in diameter into chips, and the Midi Force is ideal for cleaning power lines, roadside areas, and other areas. Offering working widths of 5.7, 6.6, and 7.4 feet, the tool ensures flexibility in all conditions. The Vuomet Snowplow Blade is a true all-purpose snow-clearing device. This multifunctional device works both as a snow drift cutter and as a side blade that increases the working width. The large swivel sector of the snow wall blade developed by the company, 213 degrees, makes a variety of uses possible. The wing housing has a large wear base that supports the wing and increases precision. Collision protection is provided by a safety valve, pressure accumulator, and shear bolt. The Prinoth Panther T16 crawler is, on its own, a very powerful and productive machine. But what could be better when paired with the optional Terex TM125? This productive, high-tech duo is just perfect for all your power generation needs. And believe me, there is no task impossible with such powerful equipment. The new 69X Series All-Star Sieve Bucket is the first time the All-Star Sifting Bucket has been used with colonnade sand and decorative stone. The All-Star Sieving Bucket and JCB topsoil work seamlessly together to mix compost and topsoil, creating a well-balanced environment for gardening use. The X Series utilizes dual screening bays for increased productivity, sturdy construction, and space. By the way, Difco manufactures and supplies only the highest quality equipment for the construction and recycling industries. You see a modern harvester for harvesting walnuts, hazelnuts, chestnuts, and apples, X16. Despite the small size of this model, it combines all the advantages of harvesting equipment at an affordable price. Equipped with the largest generation engine, the X16 is highly productive in harvesting. And thanks to the multiple cleaning stages performed during the process, the fruit enters the hopper already clean. Shingles can now easily go directly onto any roof thanks to the new Arrowhead working system. With it, you can safely eliminate the extra work of roofing contractors, saving you significant time and money. And guess what? Once you have a full convenient set of roofing materials skillfully placed on your roof, you'll never want to do roofing, lifting, or delivery any other way again. Wouldn't you agree? The Rosetto Inter-Row Weeder is simply ideal for quality and efficient mechanical weeding of your plot. Thanks to the robust rear sprockets mounted on the levelers, the machine can easily surround the seedling and stir the soil so that weeds cannot develop in the soil. By the way, the working depth varies from 2 to 4 centimeters, and the average working speed is from 4 to 10 kilometers per hour. The Yanmar multi-purpose seedling planter for cabbage, spinach, and many leafy vegetables is designed with control levers around the handle for efficient operation. The PH1 is also equipped with a distance sensor for planting vegetables, which greatly increases its productivity. The universal pickup is a compact machine with a large steering angle for maximum maneuverability. The machine can move at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour, and its powerful 4-stroke engine with 18 horsepower allows you to pick at half speed. The machine has excellent performance regardless of the number of fruit collected, without damaging them. By the way, the picker can be used in both high and low stem orchards. The Stout Smart Cultivator is a software-controlled tractor implement that uses machine vision and artificial intelligence to cultivate and weed fields with mechanical knives. The AI model recognizes each weed and each plane individually. The 2-meter-wide version has an output of 0.4 to 0.81 hectares per hour at 2.5 kilometers per hour. And those are cool numbers. Introducing Bee-Bot, a groundbreaking technology for cleaning beach areas near seas and oceans, developed by the robotics experts at Polaro Marine. In fact, it is an eco-friendly device specially designed to clean and restore shorelines without harming the environment. The 100% electric Bee-Bot is powered by battery and solar energy, so it produces no harmful emissions. And this machine can also be used on sea beaches and sandy riverbanks. The machine does an excellent job of collecting cigarette butts, small pieces of glass, plastic bottles, corn cobs, coconut shavings, plastic bags, pieces of paper, and seaweed with debris thrown ashore. The newest version of Maja Automatic is a machine with an automatically folding canopy, which is designed to work in orchards with any arrangement of trees in a row. This technique guarantees almost 100% efficiency of harvesting and preservation of high quality of harvested fruit. Harvesting with this machine is performed by shaking fruits and berries thanks to a shaker on the canopy extended under the tree. Every field is unique, which is why Geringoff has paid special attention to high flexibility in the design and manufacture of their harvesting equipment. Their maize cob picker has been refined to the limit, all for maximum efficiency in maize fields. The Maize Star technology used in the production is where 2 oppositely rotating harvesting rollers with 4 cutting blades gently pull the corn plants downwards. The cob itself is separated by the harvesting knives, while the stalk remains untouched in the field and serves as erosion protection. The PRF 240 Profiler from Meripede is designed for shaping peat strips during production. It can be used to level the raised edges of the ditch and distribute the excess peat evenly across the entire width of the strip. The excess peat can then be collected in a peat stack during normal milling peat production. Using the Profiler 2 to 3 times per season helps to keep the production strips in optimal condition without any additional action. This is what the Flygo weed brush looks like in action. The hydraulically driven weed brush will remove almost all types of weeds on your property easily, without the use of chemicals and in an environmentally friendly way. The unit can be adjusted in both directions from 30 to 90 degrees. The unit comes standard with a dirt trap, so foreign objects now cannot be irrevocably removed from the path of the machinery. The weed brush requires a capacity of about 25 liters and 1 double-acting connection. The Hamar Sideloader A Advanced Chassis is a unique and incredibly versatile chassis from Hamar. Made from 3 telescopic chassis parts and sliding cranes, it can change the position of the cart and optimize the weight distribution of the load. This means it can be optimized for both 2 and 3 axle trucks, as well as for different size containers. You can see the brand new track drive from Multi-One mini loaders. It fulfills its primary purpose by providing maximum machine stability and traction with minimal ground damage and low ground pressure. The large contact area under the tracks reduces pressure, minimizes ground damage, and prevents falling through soft ground and rutting. So now you can have a truly superior ally in agriculture, green space and landscaping construction, and property maintenance. In northern Thailand's Lampang province, ITD is deploying ThyssenKrupp's advanced Barracuda rotary excavators at the Maemo mine, 372 miles from Bangkok. These excavators can handle up to 18,000 tons of overburden per hour, ensuring continuous and efficient coal mining. The state-of-the-art equipment not only reduces operating costs and harmful emissions, but also eliminates the need for blasting and separate loading operations, making mining safer and more environmentally friendly. ITD thereby raises standards in the mining industry, greatly reducing environmental impact and increasing productivity. GU70 Special is the last word in chainsaw technology, designed with tunneling and open pit work in mind. This machine, designed for cutting marble and decorative stone, except granite, is at its best when dealing with hard and abrasive stones. The GU70 Special has the unique ability to perform horizontal, vertical, and inclined frontal cuts, all thanks to a special function developed by the company. The technique can be customized, offering horizontal cuts up to 32.2 feet, vertical cuts up to 20.3 feet, and cutting depths up to 10.5 feet. The all-electric design, with the option of a hybrid modification that includes an endothermic motor for travel, makes it ideal for various use scenarios. With several giants of technology taking up the challenge, one thing is promised: perfection in every curve and precision in every corner of your future. You can rest assured it will be perfect for future use. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD series is naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known multi-1 strengths, versatility, and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new multi-1 mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. The Eckel telescopic boom was developed by Eckel Hartstall GmbH, specifically for embankment work, trench clearing, and river and canal construction. Several modifications were made until the telescopic excavator took its final shape and was now capable of handling deep construction excavations and underwater construction sites up to 82 feet deep. According to the manufacturer, the boom and telescopic handle are designed for use with a 1.5 cubic yard grapple, and a special 4-ton counterweight at the rear is designed to provide more stability when the telescoping arm is extended. Quad Train is 185 feet long and includes the patented tie-man coupling that ensures compliance with all performance-based standards, PBS requirements, including backward speed boost. The combination travels at 55 miles per hour when loaded and 162 miles per hour when empty. The roller connection of all 4 tanks eliminates the risk of the rear tank tipping over thanks to a specially designed horizontal drawbar with support plate and kingpin. With a gross combined mass, GCM, of 186.5 tons, Fuel Trans achieves a payload of 157 kiloliters of diesel, and the payload of mixed motor fuel and diesel products exceeds 160 kiloliters. You see a new 7-axle super dump on the new Kenworth T800. This incredibly cool dump truck is rated at 80,000 pounds in the Federal Bridge formula and allows you to load over 25 tons. Several options are available, including the IntelliTruck control system with onboard scales, rear view camera, and body angle monitor. Thanks to its modern modular system, its versatility and precision in maneuvering even in the tightest of spaces, as well as Kemeto's extensive range of SPMT components, you have the ideal transport solution for all applications in heavy haulage, heavy industry, shipbuilding, oil and gas, offshore transport, and more. But in fact, this modular system can also be used for simpler yet complex tasks. For example, when it is necessary to transport a huge stone boulder from a field to another place in Germany. As you can see, this technique coped with the job perfectly. The path to mastery in the world of product turning is sometimes like swimming against the current, unpredictable, wet, and full of challenges. But it is these challenges that turn the process into an exciting adventure, leading to the creation of perfect parts. Meet the CarJack elevator that redefines power. This powerful device truly plays with the weight of a car like a feather, demonstrating that the words obstacle and impossible are simply not in its vocabulary. The push-stick rake from Hi-Mac Attachments provides amazing vegetation control with its rugged design and side wings. This unique mini-loader attachment allows you to clear the ground, fence lines, debris, and other vegetation incredibly quickly. The tine spacing provides superior screening, minimizes waste, and maximizes productivity. The SAR wide fork support is the ideal equipment for moving large loads with the complete safety and stability needed to prevent losses. It can be used to preserve the integrity of important loads. With it, you can also ensure that the load is not damaged during transportation. 4 forks allow you to move fairly large loads, and SAR is customizable according to the needs of each customer, which is also a significant advantage. Looking for a way to make your soil perfect for new plantings? Then Prenoth Deep Rippers and Rotovators are at your service. These powerful machines, like the RF800 and RFL700, turn difficult plots into paradise for new plants. Working with Fendt and John Deere tractors, they swiftly remove roots and wood waste while enriching the soil with organic materials. Why not give your plants the best start by loosening and improving the soil so effectively that even your neighbors will envy? Meet the new, innovative XXL Manure Mixer from Hosel. This large, long-legged machine distributes the material evenly in the fermenter. Powerful agitators on extremely movable arms with a reach of up to 122 feet and a range of 370 degrees allow efficient mixing of the mass even under difficult conditions. Floating layers, raw stock, or sinking layers are mixed quickly and thoroughly. Small spaces don't stop you either. Even small openings can be passed through with the agitator. If you grow grapes on a large scale, or are just about to do so, you should know that it will be very difficult to do without a machine such as the T150 VV modification from Engine Bore. This machine has a hydraulically adjustable track from 2 to 2.9 meters, which allows it to be adapted to all vineyards and any work in the fields. Featuring a fully adjustable hydraulic rear wing and bed, this heavy-duty machine delivers the proven performance inherent in all Collier and Miller machines. The C&M channeler attachment is available to customers with a standard 9.8-foot bed configuration, but with the ability to be built to specific size requirements upon request. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. Cleaning public and company areas is a demanding and challenging task, which can be perfectly handled by an efficient and professional machine, such as the Grunig Sweeping Fox. The Grunig Sweeping Fox is a very productive machine with a quiet 3-cylinder diesel engine. Thanks to its special characteristics, this machine can handle both fine dust and large, coarse dirt clumps equally well. Moreover, the sweeper of this version is also great at handling wet debris. So if you want to do your cleaning job quickly, efficiently, and effectively, Sweeping Fox will suit you just fine. FMG's Tractor Trailed Grader, perfect for gravel road maintenance. The 4 blades easily loosen and level the hardened surface, while the wheel block applies the surface and consolidates the results. The joystick makes controlling the grader really simple and easy, which positively affects the overall result of work. By the way, the weight of the largest such machine is 6,000 kilograms, which makes it a powerful tool. Nemo is a fully hydrostatic beach cleaner operating on board, extremely maneuverable and practical to use even in very confined spaces. It is controlled by 2 joysticks that allow you to adjust speed, direction, and working depth. The machine is equipped with a fixed blade that collects sand and debris at the required depth and width of 100 centimeters. They are fed to a vertically moving sieve, which allows the waste to be left in the collection container and the clean sand to be dumped out. This TMR Jailer mixed truck is the largest TMR mixer offered by the manufacturer. In this configuration, it has a capacity of 1,190 feet, 33.7 meters cubed, which is quite impressive. The ration includes conditioned barley, dried distillate grain, additives, fries byproduct from a local processing plant, and corn silage. With a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feedlots. The engine provides the necessary power reserve and is designed for easy maintenance. The rear and side view camera system with 7 monitors for optimum all-round visibility is a valuable plus for safety and comes as standard. In addition, the machine has special loading and unloading equipment together with a curved banana boom and a long grapple boom, making this model an ideal machine for unloading ships. The technique is also used for loading on road and rail transport. The Hamar self-loading cable drum trailer, also known as the Hamar drum loader, is a specialized side loader for lifting and transporting large cable drums or reels, power cable wound on large steel drums. This technique is an incredibly versatile and cost-effective solution that eliminates the emerging need for other lifting equipment, as well as other specialized trailers. Cenobog telehandlers are the ideal machines for demanding applications. The A35G Hybrid and 355E models precisely set new standards for efficient scrap, wood, and port handling, thanks to the Green Hybrid Regeneration System, which is now also available in this machine class. You save up to 30% on fuel. These machines are, in fact, multifunctional tools that can handle both common telehandler tasks and complex material handling operations. Here, for example, in this video, we see these loaders pile sugar beets into a pile and then load them onto barges. Together, they are capable of handling 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the beet campaign, delivering fuel savings and reduced CO2 emissions, thanks to Green Hybrid's regenerative technology. The Concrete Pump S36X Direct Drive from Schwingstetter is specialized equipment designed for vertical or horizontal delivery of concrete mixed to the pouring site, mounted on a truck chassis. Such a concrete pump is an indispensable assistant on construction sites and has a complex design. And the S36X Razor is indeed the new flexibility in the 118-foot class. The machine convinces with its 5-section boom with flexible RZ folding mechanism, low folding height, only 22.3 feet, and low operating weight. In combination with the short wheelbase, only 13.8 feet, the Razor is extremely maneuverable, allowing the operator to maneuver easily on the job site. The new VTN Crusher Bucket Crusher is an attachment designed to crush various materials directly on site. The unit is suitable for different working machines, excavators, backhoe loaders, telescopic and wheel loaders. The crusher has very compact and versatile dimensions, and is therefore suitable for all types of construction sites, in quarries, on landfill sites, as well as on small, medium, and large urban and suburban construction sites. Quick and easy adjustment of the thickness of the incoming material allows you to adjust the size of the output material from 0.5 to 5.5 inches. The multi-purpose Mine Ambush Armored Recovery Crane, MPARC, is based on the concept of independently suspended axles and a spatially robust frame. The new MPARC is an unrivaled crane of its kind with exceptional performance. All-wheel drive provides superior traction and mobility. The machine provides high protection against mines, IEDs, and kinetic energy munitions. 5-point safety belts, protection, fire, and explosion protection system, and specially designed seats create a safe environment for personnel. The NOAQ Boxwall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier blocks waves up to a meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as clearing roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. The new Wood King Duo is now even more efficient. The most flexible delimbing saw for left or right-handed installation with basic accessories included. It is possible to attach the unit on both sides, which allows the operator to do his work any way possible. The technique copes perfectly with thin and thick limbs, and the maximum working height is achieved with the help of a telescopic loader. The manufacturer took care of the presence of a protective frame for the technique, which perfectly protects from damage during the operation of the machine. By the way, the boom extends to the side by 47 inches, which allows you to move on the side of the road and cut limbs in the area of the boom. And the side counterweight eliminates the one-sided load of the boom on the vehicle and reduces the danger of the equipment tipping over. Smart Rock T25R is a smart installation for smarter operators. You work alone, remaining discreet and building the infrastructure to keep things running smoothly in the community. You are the first to arrive at the site and the last to go home. Epiroc knows exactly what that feels like. That's why they designed the Smart Rock T25R to perform at its best. The machine can be used on the toughest surfaces or hard-to-reach construction sites. The Converse C91 is a dredger designed for small waterways, canals, and lakes. This technological giant has been equipped with the CW10 quick coupling system, which allows numerous tools to be attached to the attachment, such as a mowing bucket, dredging pump, chain mower, and grapple. This model has 3 outriggers, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear, and the mass range and length from 157 to 236 inches. The Converse C91 operates thanks to the driving force, a double auger with an anti-twist auger that is hydraulically foldable and height adjustable. Looking for a versatile solution that combines the elevator and the mobility of a trailer? Equipter introduces the revolutionary Model 7000. This engineering marvel is easily transportable to any job site, and with its help, you can lift a container of materials up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or use the optional forks to lift up to 23 feet and 5 inches. Controlled remotely, the Equipter 7000 is equipped with various steering modes to ensure precise positioning. Rest assured, the versatile elevator trailer will be your indispensable assistant on any construction site, providing exceptional functionality and flexibility. Meet your friends. This is the MFT 2040 6x6 firefighting combination truck, manufactured by Beigel. It is a 4-wheel drive base forwarder with a modern 6-cylinder Dutz Stage 5, Tier 5 Industry 240 horsepower engine. With AdBlue technology, driven by a Danfoss hydrostatic transmission with computer control and load sensing. The axles are made by NAF. All tires are steel reinforced, as it weighs 30 tons together with all the additional firefighting equipment. It is equipped with a powerful load-sensing hydraulic system with an operating pressure of 250 bar. This is necessary to operate the 7.5-foot wide front mulcher. The equipment is powerful enough to handle entire trees, create fire barriers that can contain overhead fires, and clear areas to prevent ground fires from spreading. The Prinoth Panther T16 crawler is, on its own, a very powerful and productive machine. But what could be better when paired with the optional Terex TM125? This productive, high-tech duo is just perfect for all your power generation needs. And believe me, there is no task impossible with such powerful equipment. Are you already familiar with the CAT M323F two-way excavator? It can be used as a two-way machine on the road or on the track. The highlight of the machine is the hydrostatic rail wheel drive. During track operation, there is